My name is Harsh, also known as Phantom Rider. This is my first vlog on YouTube and welcome to my channel. I belong to a small town and I took my sweet time to come on YouTube. I've been traveling for the past 8 years. Actually, I want to share my world with you folks out there. So this is the vlog for you guys. So I'll be sharing my experience on my YouTube channel for you guys out there. So you can start early, explore and travel the world around you. First things first, meet the ladies. Pulsar 135 started my experience, my ride on a Pulsar 135 in 2010. And the beast which I'm looking out for is Apache 200 RTR 4V. It's a borrowed bike from a friend. Due to some issues, I couldn't bring mine for the shoot actually. So sorry for that, I couldn't show you. But in the next vlog, I'll be definitely showing you my bike. How does it look? How does Phantom actually looks like? So folks, let me tell you my story. I started my riding experience 8 years back down the line. Actually, I started with a family trip around some places. From there, I created a hobby about traveling, exploring, and searching about experiences, adventures about different things, lifestyle, meeting new people, new things. Then somehow, I got addicted to traveling. You can say the adrenaline flow when you ride the bike, the off-roads, the roads, everything, the mountains, the jungles. It just, you can't express anything, it just calls you over there. That's the thing which I love most about riding. And a young generation are now, they spend a lot of time on social networking, so they get a lot of information. Somewhere below the line 8 years back, I didn't get a chance, I didn't have the platform to do some things. But yes, today I have, people know me, some people do know me actually. And yes, today we also have a groups, people like Rishikesh Manki and Santosh Yadav, Omkar Ravlekar, then Murtuza Junaid, his brother, and these kind of people supported me, guided me through. Yeah, then I met some of them just contacted me, I gave them a call, they spoke to me, I had some good vibes about it, I thought plus about it, and so I went forward. Till date I have been traveled actually 1,80,000 kilometers, and you can say that 40-60,000 on this beast, not this one actually, my beast, my Phantom, and 1,20,000 on that one, that beauty. You can just pan around the camera please. Yes, that one, that's the beauty. I've been traveling around, and after this you can say I've been traveling pan India. I've traveled, the first tour which I had done was Chhattisgarh, Orissa, West Bengal, and after Himachal a year out, then Himachal, then you can say Punjab, Gujarat, Rajasthan. 2 years back the line I was in South India. I was there for around 2 months, or I was traveling Kerala, Andhra till Kanyakumari, then Telangana, everything. I'll be traveling this. After that you can say that the final tour, I was just preparing myself for the big grand tour, that's for Ladakh. Last year I went to Ladakh. It was a very adventurous, mind-blowing kind of a ride which I have planned. I know I was a new one for that terrain, that area, but yeah, I prepped myself. You will be getting the detailed video about Ladakh in March, hopefully, if I get to complete it sooner or later. But the past year was great. It was a great experience. I met new people, I got to learn different things, and somewhere now today I feel that yeah, I have learned it. I'm not a skilled person, there are more skilled person than me. I have just learned it, watching the people out there, watching Varat sir, watching Rishi sir, watching Santosh sir, watching Kalpesh, watching everyone. It was something else. Watching MUMBIKERNIKKHIL, watching POWERDRIFT, thanks to POWERDRIFT, a lot of concept, like the detailed knowledge about bikes was cleared by POWERDRIFT itself. Then I researched, I read about it, I got to know a lot of stuff. So that was the turning point for me, where I started practicing that skills which I have learned from them, observing them, practice that. You can say a corner, a hand down, and knee strapping, everything was done and practiced. Thank you for watching out there. Thank you folks, thank you really much, it means a lot for me. And please share this video, like, comment and press the subscribe button over here. मजाक की वीडियो के लिए प्लीज सब्सक्राइब द बटन.